Hello everybody, welcome to Twisted. If you're wondering what's going to happen today, so today's we're going to do a little bit different episode. So we're going to intercept tornadoes with every single interceptor in the game. There's no challenge to it, it's just we're just going to try to get an intercept with a tornado. With every intercept, and of course we're going to start off with Dominator 1. And just so you know, here is the thermodynamics for today's weather. It is not the most impressive high risk day, but we got another one on day 3, which will be great. It'll be, oh, I can't wait for day 3. But we're going to sit here and we're going to wait for storms to pop off, and then, well, hold on, let me show you real quick. Let me get back in the Dominator real quick. So, just so everybody knows, and everybody's called it, Dominator 1 can take up to 165 miles an hour deployed and 125 undeployed. TIF 1, 140, 175. Dom 2, 145, 185. Dominator 3, 150 and 200. And TIF 2, 150 to 225. So we're going to wait for storms to pop off. And then I will see you in a minute. Well, storms do pop off. And we've got our first storm of the day. Let's figure out what direction we're going. We're going north at 71 miles an hour. And it's popping up at Helma, so we're going to head down to the 2 right here. We're going to turn and get on this road and go through this dirt road all the way down to and get on no. We go down the second intersection here and go down to Helma. So I'll see you in a second. So we got rotation just right on top of Nateville. So we're going heading. We're going to try to get there, take her right here and go head down and probably turn on this road and get right in front of the rotation. Here it comes, tornado. We got one. We got a funnel. I do got probes to place. Let's just hope this thing don't become rapidly strong. I say that and it's starting to get bigger. I think we are directly, let's move it just a little bit more. Let me place one probe right here. Okay, I think we're deploying. We're deploying. Oh no! Oh no, we might die. Oh no. Okay, it's yellow again. As long as just don't. I know they indicative on how actually strong it is, but there it is. It's yellow. It's fast moving too. Look at it, 165. Ooh. I thought we were about to die for a second when it went red. Wow. Oh boy. Okay, let's undeploy. Now it's time for TIF 1. Let's go intercept this new tornado down to the south. Okay, we got another violent tornado in Hyam. It was yellow a second ago. I don't know why it keeps disappearing. But we're going to get down to this road, this next intersection that we're coming upon, and we'll turn right, then get right, and we should be right in front of it. Okay, we're going to stop right here. We're going to stop right here. We're going to stop right here. I feel like we're in a good spot right here. It's red. As long as we don't I gotta check wind speeds. What was it? 175 for TIF 1? Yeah, 175. We can take it to 175 mile an hour winds. Here we go. We might die. Here we go, intercepting. Oh, yeah. Tornado emergency. We may go flying. Survived the tip 1. There's more in Hyam too. We survived the tornado in tip 2 or tip 1. It's a PDS is a tornado emergency. I keep saying PDS. It's the same thing. Oh, multiple vortices. So get the highest minute is 135 miles an hour. Yellow. We're going to undeploy. We're going to head down to Hibbing and Prior Lake area. We're going to try to intercept another tornado down there. Okay, so we got new rotation in Prior Lake, and we have swapped to Dominator 2 now. We'll see where it's heading before we make a decision. Plus, it's getting nighttime, which I don't like. It's going to be harder to intercept at night. Okay, here. We're deployed. It's red, too. Go right in front of us. Burn. Of course, it gets right to us and it veers off to the right. Well, this is a fail. It's not the most impressive for an enhanced risk day. I'm waiting for that high risk day, but we're going to try to intercept the tornado with Dom 2 here so we can get Dom 3 and Tiv 2 ready to go and intercept with them. So we're still waiting for storms to pop off, and I'll see you in a moment once they do. So we finally got us a storm popping off over just west, on the west side of the map, in between Funkley and Hibbing. So we're going to head down this road a little bit. We're going to turn and go straight towards Funkley and try to get ready to intercept. Well, the storm just blew up. I was stopping right here for rotation purposes because I knew it would pop up anywhere. And as soon as I say this, we got rotation right here, just to our south. You can see it right there. This is going to be a big tornado, I think. It's on the ground. Tornado. Tornado. Tornado on the ground. Can't see the condensation puddle, but you can see the ground circulation. Let's see. Let's place one right here. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. Do I move any? I'm trying to decide. I think I need to back up a little bit, actually. Deploy. I'm gonna hold on a second for deploying. The biggest thing is we need to get an intercept with this. And that's the goal for this, to get an intercept. Let's see where it's heading. Of course, it disappeared. Deployed. Deployed. We finally got an intercept. I'm counting this as an intercept. Yeah, this is an intercept. I'm considering it an intercept. So we got new rotation and higher, and that's where we'll be heading when we got Dominator 3. So we got tornado on the ground. Ooh, it might be a strong tornado time we get there. Hopefully it is. So we don't know how strong the tornado is, but we're coming upon it right now. Okay, so we got to stop and we're going to deploy. We'll get to see. So this is the only tornado we're gonna go after. Or we're gonna go up here and go see some of the damage in Wadena from that tornado earlier. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get a probe in this thing, so we're gonna have to deploy it right as soon as we get upon it. Okay, we gotta stop. We gotta deploy. Ooh. Oh boy, yeah, this is the second intercept. This tornado is strong. Yeah. Oh, wow. Forward Eden's getting hit twice in one episode. So we got a storm popping up just over Funkley and in between and just northwest, just outside of Trent. So, oh my word, the frames. I don't know what it is today. The frames have just been terrible. You haven't seen most of it, but it's just a terrible frame rate today. But anyways, we're going to head over there. We're going to get in position to intercept this storm. And, maybe we get a strong tornado out of the day. Oh, we got a rotation directly in front of us starting to form. Right in front of us. Where that rain shaft is. There it is. There's the rotation. I couldn't have timed this better. Oh, could you imagine trying to play Twisted in this field of view? Oh, we got a funnel. We got a funnel. This is gonna be a drill bit tornado, isn't it? It's on the ground. No, it ain't. I want to deploy, but I don't want to at the same time because it takes forever to deploy and undeploy in this thing. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to move back north more northward. Then I'm going to deploy. Tornado on the ground. Deploying. Let's make it just right beside us, actually. Come on. Turn away. Come towards me a little bit more. It's a drill bit. No, it's actually it's more of a stovepipe, actually. Yeah, here it comes. It's going right beside us. Man, oh, I could have went up more and I would have had it perfect. No. Oh. Man, deploy. This thing is fast, dude. I'm moving at 73 mile an hour. 73 mile an hour. Woo! Look how fast this thing can move. We're going to have to get pretty much turning it right in front of it. And then once we get on the interstate, we're going to or highway here, we're going to have to deploy immediately. Crap. Get back on the road, stupid. Red too. And right here, stop, deploy. We might get flipped. We might get rolled. Might get rolled. Oh no. Oh no. This thing can't deploy so fast. I wish I'd done 3. Oh no. We're about to flip. We're about to flip. No. Wow. Oh. I consider that a successful intercept. You know, we didn't get deployed in time for it. 155-mile-an-hour winds for it, too. Well, that's pretty good, actually. But with that, if you enjoyed today's episode, please go down and like this video. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button because it'll help me out a lot if you do. And one more thing before I go. If you think that last intercept with the TIF 2 was a failure, let me know in the comments and I will redo it. And I'll release a short video of me intercepting with TIF 2. A better tornado, that is. A wedge tornado, which is preferable. But if you think it was a success, let me know. If you think it was a failure, let me know. And if it is a failure, I will release a short video of me actually intercepting an actual tornado with it. But like I said, if you enjoyed today's video, please go down and like this video. While you're down, click the subscribe button. It'll help me out a lot if you do. And don't forget to click the bell for notifications for whenever there's a new upload. And with that, I will see you in the next episode, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.